It is. Come in, come in. I have an opportunity for you all that is very dangerous. I was going to say profitable. You think I'm so heartless I would send my friends to danger? You insult my honor. I believe I have very little honor to insult. Hello, hello, my friends. I am Paulo Onaka, and this is Onaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. You welcome my fine friend. Yes, as we agreed. You let us use the ship, we'll get you the supplies you need. It's a win-win. You help the resistance, and I get all the profits. No, we better go before he changes his mind. Move along, my friends. Listen carefully and remember, the better you work together, the more you earn. Your lives and my profit depend on it. Now go.
We both got engineers.
Welcome aboard, comrade.
To you all, you might need it. Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coal.
Supervise younglings. Por favor, permanezcan sentados.
Better be faster when we get into real trouble. Right, pilot? Push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly up. And push forward to fly down. Weapons are online. Left pilot. Hit the boosters. Let's go with Axiom. Right pilot. Make the jump to light speed. Yes, keep shooting. They've locked onto us. Take evasive action. There it is. After that train. Flight engineers, fire the harpoons. Excellent. Now gunners, shoot the cargo free. Left pilot, brakes.
Oh, no!
Oh, my friends, that could have been much worse.
Oh!
Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Now power up the ship. Well, I can go Axiom. You see, just as I promised, my friend, now that the resistance has what they need, maybe a little something from Hondo. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Gunners, shoot the train. Yes, keep flashing those controls. Oh, so close. Keep reeling. The cargo is pretty free. Keep shooting. Gunship. Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. We've got to get out of here. Yes, at this
remote. You retrieved 1 container of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is, hey, not bad.
100%.
Our accuracy was 55%. Sorry about that, folks. Thanks for my
All right, damage report. Engine failure. All right. Hyperdrive leak. That is not too good. Multiple hull ruptures. Well, it could be worse. Life support failure. That's something. Yeah, I'm just going to cut you off there. It might be faster if you list the parts that are not damaged. You know, the ones that help us to breathe. All right, my friends. You brought the Falcon back in one piece, and I guess that is something. Not a lot, but something. Oh, looks like we're
Not
heading
bad.
for a load.
Not great. Pretty bumpy. Right this way.
So Luke and I did engineer, and we got 100% on ours.
No, I got 72.
You got 72? I got 100%.
I was just mashing.
It was hard. It was like a lot of watching.
He said to keep on mashing.
It was a lot of trying to see what was going on and then also do what you're doing. So you couldn't just sit there and enjoy it. You had like a job to do. So it was fun for sure. I enjoyed it. I'm glad we got to do it. Now, on to smash him in some Toy Story Mania. Are you ready to get smashed?
Showed that last time.
Oh, yes, I'm going to.